So here we are, we're back on the Shakespeare's Avon Way after a year's break. Now we were walking this trail a year ago, but illness kind of stopped us in our tracks. So 1 year on and 1 stone heavier, we're back walking again. So we're going to start with a fairly gentle stroll today between Welford-on-Avon and we're going all the way to Cleeve Prior, which should be about 6 or 7 miles, something like that. But Welford-on-Avon is a really, really pretty village. We remember it, it's got England's tallest maypole.
This maypole is 65 foot tall, and once it was actually taller, and it was donated and erected in 1967.
You gonna go for a dance?
I will do, yeah!
So we headed off into the pretty village of Welford-on-Avon. This chocolate box village is filled with thatched half-timbered houses and is a real feast for the eyes. After navigating our way through the village, we headed down towards the riverbank. This is a popular route for dog walkers, and with its riverside views you can see why. We were again following the route indicated in our guidebook, but wayfinding was becoming a problem.
We're finding the signage a little bit faded and it's a little bit hard to see, but if you look hard enough you can see it. Look, it's down here.
Signage was indeed a bit patchy, and it probably faded even more since we last walked this trail over a year ago. This was, however, incredible springtime walking, with nature providing a really pleasant soundtrack. Butterflies, mayflies and damselflies all accompanied us on our journey. A buzzard also came to see what we were up to. This is just gorgeous walking along the riverbank. There's mayflies buzzing everywhere. The sun's out. It's still, it's quiet, you can hear nature. Wow. What a lovely place this is. That's why we love these walking trails. You go somewhere you've never been before and you get to experience England's nature at its finest. Our new friend the buzzard followed us for quite a while. And we sat and we watched this pair of swans building a nest. How lovely.
Let's watch Simon go through the muddy challenge.
Maybe a challenge. We've had some heavy rain. Boards there. Have we seen this here? Well, it looks as though we're in for a spot of rain. Have you seen those clouds?
Look at those black clouds. I doubt we need these really. Better take them off.
Here we are. The great British summer has arrived.
I'm glad we brought our rain, Max.
Yeah, but it's still a lovely walk though, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Can't beat this, it's absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, I was sure it's only a shower.
Well, it's stopping now anyway.
We'll be hot again in just a few minutes, no doubt. So much for our weather forecasting. It actually rained for quite a while. But we eventually arrived in another pretty Warwickshire village. This one was called Barton. Wow, our pub's got a great name, the Cottage of Content. Is it open?
It doesn't open till 3.
3?
Yeah.
Oh,
and it says no food.
No food? Okay,
and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, no food.
Okay, no beer and cheesy chips for us then?
No.
Okay, let's walk on. Disappointed, we headed on towards Bidford-on-Avon, and on this leg the signage had improved. When you get to Bidford-on-Avon, the trail keeps you to the south of the river, although you can cross the bridge into the town. However, there is a tidy little park and a recreational area south of the river itself with picnic benches. Well, we just stopped for a bit of lunch in Bidford-on-Avon. There's a nice little park area here where A lot of the locals have come down, they're having barbecues, there's playing ball games, there's people canoeing in the river, there's an ice cream van, and there's some loos over there as well. So a really nice little spot. It's not raining, sun's come back out, nice little way to break up the walk. After enjoying our packed lunch, we headed off again. Well, the sun is out again, isn't it lovely?
Beautiful, and the sunglasses are back out, yay!
A lovely stop in Bidford-on-Avon, and now we're continuing on to Cleeve Prior. Got a couple of miles to go, and it looks like on the map it's all riverside walking. Look at that, the river's just there, look.
Look at that, beautiful.
Yeah, how nice. Anyway, we'll give you an update when we get to Cleeve Prior. We were enjoying the sunshine and riverside walking, but after a while we noticed we hadn't seen a sign for quite a while. Well, we've lost the signage, and I do believe we're off the trail. Looks like we're on the Avon River walk. We've got to cut inland to our left at some point, and it looks like a steep climb up a bank. So I don't really fancy scrambling up the mud, so we'll continue following this path. It's very pleasant, right by the river anyway. And hopefully we'll meet up with the Shakespeare's Avon Way shortly. So this isn't the Shakespeare's Avon Way, we're about 150 feet off the Shakespeare's Avon Way, but it's quite nice weir and lock. Well, we've made our way back onto the path. Had to scamper just across a short field, then we found ourselves back on the footpath. About half a mile to a mile to go to the finish. Woo. It is a day where we're avoiding rain showers today. It's sheeting down over there. It's just started splitting here. Let's hope we can get to the car before it does actually tip it down. Joy now thinking we should have stayed by the river. Look at that muddy path. Oh well, here we go. Kilometres to go now. Summer walking through the nettles and brambles. So we're nearly at the end now. We're just approaching Cleeve Prior. It's been a lovely day's walking, hasn't it?
It's been absolutely gorgeous. A little muddy in places, but what do you expect? We've had a little bit of rain, haven't we?
We had a shower. Well, it was a good shower, wasn't it? It was pretty heavy, but you know, soon dried off. Sun came out again, and we carried on walking.
Yeah.
Nice little stop in Bidford-on-Avon.
It was tricky in the bit where the horses had gone down and trodden down the path.
Yeah, yeah. When
it's a bit muddy, wasn't it?
Some of the horse riders had churned up the footpaths and stuff, made it pretty muddy underfoot. But, you know, really nice day. It's great to be back out on the trails, isn't it, mate?
Yeah, brilliant by the river as well.
Yeah, lovely riverside walking, and great to be back out in England's lovely countryside.
Yeah.
Now just 25 miles to the finish, our return to the Shakespeare's Avon Way had given us a wonderful day out, and we crossed over the border into Worcestershire.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers!